Hello guys, my name is Ravi Kumar. You guys are watching FT Thoughts YouTube channel. So guys, if you are interested in blogging or wanted to create your website, then this video is especially for you, because in this video I'm going to tell you that how you guys can create your website in less than 10 minutes using Hostgator platform. So guys, if you are one of those people who wanted to create their website and wanted to start their blogging journey, then watch the full video, because in the end of the video you will know everything that need to create your website. So guys, before starting the video, let me tell you that if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel yet, then you can subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. And once you subscribed our YouTube channel, you will get all the blogging related videos in your phone, and you can also join us by clicking on the join now button, and you will get lots of features. So guys, let's start this video. And before starting the video, let me tell you that there are lots of benefits of using HostGator in 2020. These benefits included: you can create your website in less than 15 minutes. So this is the one of the best features that you will get in this website. And you can also save lots of money by using a promo code that I will give you in half of my video. So watch the full video for promo code. And you can also get a free domain if you follow all the steps that I'm going to give you. With this, you will also get a high speed hosting of HostGator, so you don't need to worry about your site speed. With this, you will also get a free SSL certificate that will increase your website ranking and domain authority. And you will also get 24/7 live chat support if you are facing any kind of problem. So guys, these are the benefits of using HostGator in 2020. So guys, let's start this video, and let me tell you that how you can create your website in 15 minutes using HostGator. For this, you need to visit hostgator.com website. Once you visited to this website, you will see this type of user interface where you will see three plans. The first one is hatchling plan, and the next one is baby and business plan. And the best thing that you are getting 60% off on all the plans. So this is the best thing that you will get by using HostGator platform. So guys, let me tell you about those plans. So guys, if you know something about blogging, then you can go with the hatchling plan. If you know more about blogging, then you can choose with baby or business plan. But this time I'm going with hatchling plan, where you will see lots of features. For buying this plan, you need to click on the buy now button. Once you click, you will be redirected to this page where you need to enter the domain name. If you have already owned any kind of domain, then you can enter it here. But if you wanted to buy a domain, then you can click on the register new domain and enter the domain you wanted to buy. As you can see, I have found my domain. Once I have found my domain, you need to click on the choose hosting plan. I'm going with hatchling plan, as I said earlier. Now you need to click on the billing cycle and select the billing cycle you wanted to buy the hosting. So I'm going with 12 months. In the next step, you need to enter your username. So I have selected my username, and in the security pin, you need to enter the 4-digit security pin. So you can see I have also done that. Now in the next section, you need to enter the billing info to buy the hosting and domain. And you can also get a two option for purchasing the domain. First one is credit card and the second one is PayPal. So I am going with PayPal, and after filling all the details, I will resume the video and tell you more about how you can create your website in less than 10 minutes using HostGator. So guys, as you can see, I have done all the details. I have filled all the details. Now you can add additional services if you want, like you can protect your site from hackers, you can get professional email, you can also back up your hard work by filling these additional services and purchasing them for your website. But now I am not going to purchase anything. And in the next step, you need to enter the coupon code. As you can see, the price is $144, but once you enter the coupon code that I am going to give you, which is FT Thoughts, as you can see, our coupon code is FT Thoughts. Now click on the validated option. Once you clicked on the validated button, you will see that the price is decreased to $93. That means you have got $60 discount. So guys, we have entered all the details and we have selected the domain. Now we will click on the privacy policy and check the privacy policy button and click on the check out now button. Once I have done the payment, I will resume the video for you. So guys, as you can see, I have purchased the domain and hosting from Hostgator, and you can see all the details. Now if you wanted to create the video, you need to click on the launch cPanel button. Once you clicked on the cPanel button, the cPanel will be open, and you can see there are lots of features that you will get from Hostgator, and you can also get a script, that is WordPress, and you can also select many more platforms, but WordPress is one of the most famous platforms. So we are going with WordPress. Simply click on the WordPress, and you need to click on the install now button. Once you click on the install now button, you need to enter or choose the version. Now you can see, so guys, now you can see our domain name is right here, and now you can also select your site name and site description. So you can see I have done my site name and written the site description for SEO friendly site. Now you can create your admin password and username. Once we have done that, we will resume the video. So you can see we have done all the things. Now in the next step, you need to select the language. So we are going with English language. In the next step, you need to select some plugins like limit login attempts or many more plugins. So I'm going with limit login attempts. You can select by your preferences, and in the advanced option we don't have to do anything. And in the next step, that is select theme, so you can select any theme and you can also change it later. So I'm going with Travelly. Select the theme, simply click on the install now button. Once you clicked, your WordPress will be installed on your hosting. That you can see the process is being started. So guys, as you can see, WordPress is successfully installed in our hosting. Now you can see our website is looking like this. We have selected the theme. You can change it later, but guys, we have just created our website in less than 10 minutes. Now you can add post, you can select themes, you can do many more things with this website, and you can create the SEO friendly articles as well. If you know more about it, you can customize your site. For changing your theme, you can go to appearance section and change your theme. So guys, this is the tutorial of creating a website in less than 10 minutes using a HostGator platform. So if you found this video interesting and helpful, then try to share this video with all of your friends. Or if you wanted to add a new post, then you can simply click on the add new post. You can enter your title, you can enter the post and publish on it. So guys, I hope you all have understand that how you can create your website using HostGator in less than 10 minutes.